Hello guys, husband and I we are going to Wallmart. This one neighborhood. It's closer to my house. We are going to pick some stuff of groceries like fruit only and vegetables. We have a lot of meat and fish, so we're getting like that only because I want to eat veggies and fruit.
What are
So
BZs?
this is the Walmart that we always close to our house and always come over here.
Yes, dear.
See, in Texas, US. Welcome to my vlog. Say hi.
Welcome, guys.
It's my husband. Walk. So we're going to get the cart and share the price of vegetables. It's too hot. Get the cart. So this is the parking lot over here. And then this is the McDonald's over there. The hospital where I worked before. So I'm tired already. The fruit here. We're going to get the fruit. So the grapes. Wilson. We'll try. I always try when I very sweet. Good. Grab, honey. Which kind of the apple that you bought for me, honey? Which one the apple that you the other day, the apple? It has different kind of apple, guys. Oh, here. Red apple. Is that the one?
Yep.
Pink lady? Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, go get it.
That one's empty. This is small.
Yeah. So pink ladies, different kind of apple. Look like bulok. This time our apple is good. Go get some tomato, honey, here.
Can't have tomato.
I know, but we need that. We have still no plums. And I'm going to buy pineapple, guys. Pineapple. Pineapple. Okay, what are you doing? And the vegetables. I think the vegetables. Oh, onions. We have no more onions in the house. We get the onions. We have no more onions.
But that's not all.
Then garlic.
What's this in the jar or something?
Nah. What else that? Okay. You always run over me, God. So crazy. Oh, I have already pineapple. Now I'm going to get oh, they have no more. They have no more bell pepper. Who's cold? Right, cucumber, cucumber. Put this inside. It's no more like bell pepper, the small one, huh? Who run? You crazy, God. You always hit my legs. God, there's zucchini here. 3 pieces of zucchini.
This is squat, that's not zucchini.
Where's zucchini?
This, that's zucchini.
Okay, we'll get 2 pieces that. 2 pieces.
What, this one?
Yeah, zucchini. And then go get this so I can eat by your side. Guys, yan. The fruit. Yeah, dito kami sa Yan. Welcome to my vlog. Don't forget to subscribe. The watermelon. So that guys, manok and chicken. We still have a lot of chicken there. So, ito ang mga sign ng mga yogurt, mga indahan. Yan. So, ito lang ang kinuha namin kasi quick. Go get something. Ayo. Grab something, honey. Have healthy food. And my dad. Come on, let's go. Okay, guys. So now we're leaving. I think that's it. We're leaving now.
Careful.
Oh, sweet tea. Come on, come back here. The Gladys want a tea. Sweet tea. She want a sweet tea. She want a sweet tea. Sit down. Guys, yun lang. Ito ang aming small na groceryhan dito sa Wallmart, closer to my house in Texas.
Fort Hood, USA.
Fort Hood, USA. Don't forget to subscribe. Jane Montijo Vlog. Like, share, and comment. And don't forget the notification for my next video. And this is my husband. Say hi, honey. Say hi.
Yes.
Look at him. Hi. Don't forget to subscribe. Like and share. Now we're going to pay now, guys. Yan, magbayad na kami.